Introducing Coral Tuile, the secret weapon to effortlessly elevate any dish. This delicate creation adds a touch of sophistication that's bound to impress your guests. Just take a look at these examples. To whip up a batch, start with a simple base mixture, 10 grams of flour, 30 grams of oil, and 80 grams of water. Combine these ingredients in a bowl until well mixed. Now, here's where the magic happens. Add your choice of food coloring to the mixture and give it a good stir. If you have a non-stick pan, perfect. If not, just add a thin coat of oil to prevent sticking. Heat your pan to a medium heat, then give your mixture a quick remix before carefully pouring it onto the pan. Watch as the oil and water flour mixture separate, creating stunning coral-like patterns. Those bubbles you see? That's just the water evaporating. Once the bubbling subsides, carefully remove your tuile from the pan using a spatula. Now, besides adding visual flair, these tuiles also bring a delightful crunch to your dish. However, flavor-wise, they're a blank canvas. To amp up the flavor, try adding a pinch of salt, sugar, or spice to the tuile. You can also experiment with replacing the water with various water-based liquids, like stock or fruit and vegetable juices. Here I'm using coffee with a hint of red and green food coloring to achieve a brown hue. The possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild.